So today we are organising this cabinet. It's got Christmas decorations in it, bits and bobs in it. Picked up the 5-sheet strip cut shredder from Argos because I have loads of letters that I need to shred. Like literally, if I open here, you see all of these, this bag and that bag down there, they are letters that I need to shred. And you can see Christmas decorations in there. Also, there's going to be a DIY because I've got to shred letters as well in my letterbox. I'm going to be DIYing my letterbox, so stay tuned for that. So guys, the past 3 days I have been shredding and shredding and shredding paper. We are done. About to organise this area and decorations. I'm going to see if there's decorations that I think I need to throw away. So these are pictures. You remember I got this from TK Maxx. I haven't finished decorating this room, so that's why this is probably in here. But I am going to decorate soon. So let me put that up there. Christmas decorations. I got these last year and now I'm actually regretting getting them because I feel like I just wasted money. I mean, if I got it years down the line and I got sick and tired of it, it would have been okay. I wanted to do a DIY Christmas tree and it didn't really go as I wanted it. I still love the bows. I still can use the bows. But I think these are going in the bin, and they were from Poundland.
No,
I don't like them.
I
don't like them because this year's Christmas I want it to be more elegant. I'm still going to shop at Poundland, don't get it twisted. But I just want more things that look a bit elegant, and I feel like it didn't really look good last year either. So yeah, no, those are staying definitely.
Yes. Cool.
This. Yeah, those are staying. I got this during the sales this year. We're keeping that. We haven't used these yet. Got these as well during the sale. I think, no, was it before New Year's Day 2019? See, you can see the lights up. Haven't tried these yet. So this Christmas, again, I'm going for the warm, like, my kids are loud. I'm going for like a really warm type of Christmas, not tacky, just everything just looking really warm. And also another thing this year when it comes to Christmas decorations, I don't want to feel like I have to buy. It's Christmas, I have to buy decorations. If nothing satisfies me this year, I'm not going to pressure myself. I feel like decorations and decorating your home in general is supposed to be like, you're going to be doing that forever. So there's no point of being like in a quick process of doing it. All lights, I think these need to go somewhere separate. Okay, there we go. Yep. This went on top of the DIY Christmas tree I was telling you about. Got it from Asda. Oh, it's a bit broken. I think I find use for that somewhere. I really like it. I find use for it. I bought a packet of confetti that I didn't use. Snow confetti. Didn't use it. Don't want it this year. So this I've had for 2 years. I still really like it. It's actually a DIY. It was a hanging Noel sign, and I just cut off like this bit that goes from a picture frame. You know, this bit. Cut it off and glued it. And yeah, I really still do like it. This again got during like the after Christmas sales. This lights up. I feel like it'll be really, really nice. I feel like again it goes with that warm Christmas feel that I'm looking for. These are going in here. This is from Asda. This lights up. Keeping that. I only bought it last year. You know these Poundland Noel signs? I remember I got these £2. 2018 Christmas. It was leading up to Christmas and they reduced it to £2. And I remember a lot of people got it for £2 as well. So I'm keeping these. I'm putting them in here. Santa's sleigh. I used this, I got this last year in Flying Copenhagen Tiger, and I was using it to put like Christmas chocolate for the kids, and I used that as a centerpiece. So I don't think I'm going to use it as a centerpiece this year, but I still like it, and I still like the whole, I think I'm going to have this for years, for years actually. That can go in the basket. Yeah, I think we need to get rid of some of the picture frames. I've actually decided that these lights, I'm going to put them way at the back where you can't see them. Because the baby does have a habit of opening these and taking, like, these things have been, he smashed them on the floor a couple of times. I don't know when it comes to Christmas time if they still work. I genuinely don't know. Maybe one day I'll maybe get a nice basket for it. This area is decluttered. Next is this area. Winter wishes. That's going in the bin. It lights up, but I don't really like it anymore. I don't think charity shops taking things. Let me know. Charity shops like accepting stuff. Like, are they? Oh, make your own bunting. I bought this again, Christmas sales. The kids haven't used this, so this year's Christmas. I got this from Pound Stretcher. Christmas bag. You're definitely not going in the bin. His and hers. You know these things from the wedding section in Poundland. I like this. I'm gonna DIY it. That's another video coming really soon. Welcome home sign. I don't know what to do with it. I'm thinking of, it's not working. It's not working. I can't find use for it around the home. It's not working. Oh, I think that's. Oh, what's this? What's in there? What's this? Literally nothing. This is a computer thing. Yeah, that I need to switch up the desktop. This is a computer thing, so that needs to. That's gonna come out anyways. But apart from that, we've decluttered. So guys, it's time for a DIY. It's going to be really simple DIY. It's basically this, you guys remember this letter box thing from Poundland. I basically want to DIY it with this Matalan. This was actually a drawer set in Matalan. It broke in the store, and then they started selling the drawer compartments like separately, so I picked this up for $2.50, and I basically use it to store all our letters and some of our charge wires as well, but mostly letters. I shredded all the old letters because there was so many letters bunched up here. Shredded all those letters, and all I'm going to do is just stick this on top of here so it looks like that. Yeah, so I've got my hot glue gun ready. Oh, is that my glue stick that fell on the floor? Oh gosh. And I'm just going to quickly stick it on. I've got to make sure this is correct. It's lined up nice and straight. Yeah, like that. And that's nice as well, you can see the love heart. I'm going to take this off at some stage, this little screw thing. I'm just going to let it stick together. Next, all that is left is to put my letters inside.